What's up everyone? Today we're going over the top 5 Christmas gifts to get drone pilots.
Coming up, we're gonna be telling you some smaller gifts that you can get, like stocking stuffers, all the way up to big gifts like FPV drones. Stay tuned to find out. All right everyone, so number 1, we're gonna be talking about a few stocking stuffers. These are smaller gifts that your drone pilots will definitely appreciate for Christmas.
So the first gift on the list is a nice cheap propellers for your drones. So before buying propellers for your friends' drones, you want to make sure that it is the right size. So try and be super nonchalant and check with them about what size of propeller their drone uses. If they use a DJI product, you can just ask them what drone they have. They'll probably be more than excited to talk about their drone that they bought. Check with them, get the model, look it up online. If you guys need help finding these, leave it in the comments and we can help you find them. So the second thing on the list is an ND filter. This is a light filter that people put on their cameras for really bright days to try and dial back that sunlight without getting washed out by such different color ratios. My personal recommendation is get the person you're buying these for a 4-pack of them. You should be able to look up the make and model of the camera and find an ND filter that is built for that. And the 4-pack, just get them 4 different ones.
All right everyone, and the final stocking stuffer for your drone pilots are batteries. Every drone pilot definitely appreciates having a ton of batteries so they can fly longer and get as much footage as they can. And while batteries are expensive, they are small. Definitely can fit a lot in a stocking and they will appreciate having the most batteries that they can.
Yep. Fill that stocking to the brim. The next gift on the list is the Avata 2. It is the perfect gift for people that are looking to get into drones, but don't really know where to start. If you know someone like this, you can go ahead and give them this drone. It's gonna be very expensive.
Yeah, the Avata 2, like you said, is a great starting drone, super easy to control, and it has a lot of tools to help you learn how to get into drone flying, or if you're an experienced pilot, it's still super fun to fly.
The next drone on the list is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is an excellent drone for anyone that goes on traveling and trips and is into photography and they want to start getting into drones and they like more of that cinematic angle. It's not going to be as nice as the Mavic series, but it definitely has a high-end camera that'll pick up some great photography. Another thing that's nice about this drone is it's under 250 grams, which means you don't need FAA approval. Don't quote us on that because we might get in trouble, but in most places you don't need FAA approval because it's 249.9 grams. You can pack it into your backpack and it takes up pretty much no space.
And in first place, we have the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This is gonna be a cinematography drone. It's not gonna be as fast as some of the FPV, custom FPV drones, but still has a top speed of 60 miles an hour, which while you're filming smooth cinematic shots is really impressive. This is definitely the most expensive drone on the list, but is a bucket list drone for most FPV pilots, and they would appreciate it so much if you got them this drone.
When you buy the Mavic 4 Pro, you get this new revamped controller from DJI where the screen actually comes up and above the controller. It's a really cool feature that we've never seen before on any drones, so we're excited to see how this works out.
All right, everyone, and that's why we think the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is the #1 drone to get your friends for Christmas gifts. Coming from drone pilots, we know that they would appreciate anything on this list, and we know drone products are expensive, but it's all about the feeling when you give. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Flying Fridays.
Flying Fridays. If you have the money to get this drone and know someone that doesn't have this drone, buy the drone or buy the drone for us. We don't really care.
We would appreciate that a lot, actually.
For someone that's looking to get into drone.
Yo, what are we doing over here?